Hi everyone, my name is Jason and welcome to my channel. Today we got something very unique that we're going to try out today. This is a tool that actually sees through walls. Stud finder, very advanced stud finder. And this is called the WALABOT. I like that name too, WALABOT. That is a pretty cool name. So what we're going to do, we're going to unbox it, we're going to take a look at it, and we're going to do several demonstrations with it. So stay tuned, guys. And this is how it's sent to me. Got the WALABOT unit. This is the magnets for attaching to your phone. Got a case. And a little storage bag. So first we're going to unbox this. So visual stud finder. What's inside your walls. Said it will work up to 4 inches deep in drywall. Wi-Fi connectivity, paired for phone. Plus there is an app for it. So we got some instructions. And here's the unit itself. Very slick design. And we got the case, which will open up too. That's the case. And we got the magnet kit. And that is a ring like that. Then your bag. Well, first thing we're going to do, we want to give this thing a full charge. And it does come with the cable. We're going to take the supplied cable it came with and I'm going to fully charge this for a while. There's a light that comes on and it already turned blue. So I'm assuming that's already charged. So it looks like we don't have to charge it. Okay, so we don't charge. The next thing we need to do is we need to download the WALABOT DY app. And I'm using an iPhone 12. There is a WALABOT DIY app. Okay, it's installed. Now we're going to open that. I agree. Yes. We have to sign in. Probably have to create an account, so I'm going to create an account for this. After you get the app signed in, WALABOT DIY2M is one I got. Start. Hold down the button. Blue light. Once I scan that. Allow. Then local network. All right, and we are connected. Just a reminder, storage temperature 40 to 95 degrees, so don't want to be operating this in a really hot house or a hot area, imagine. This is where we would do calibration. So we're going to set this up, try it out, and show you how this works. I just want to point out, when you turn this on, you press that button, it's briefly red and then turns blue. That's not the charging light. Because when I hooked up my phone, the battery wasn't the red on this. So I'm going to give this a full charge. And if you look there, there is that charging light. I'm assuming that's going to shut off when it's fully charged. We'll see. Okay, this is fully charged because that charging light did come off. So let's try it. Now my entire house, inside and out, is mostly all cedar. So I don't have a lot of places that have drywall, but this is one of them. So this is what we'll be using this on. There's a few different ways that you can use your foam with this, which I will demonstrate. But the main thing is you want this end go up against your wall that you'd be calibrating with. So what we're going to do is we're going to turn this on. And we got our, we're going to use it like this. This is one way. And we're going to connect that. Now what this does, this actually makes a private Wi-Fi network between these two devices. It's pairing up. Right, it's connected. This is where we want to do our calibration. So we're going to put this on the wall. We're going to start our calibration. It tells you what to do. Put that flat side against there. Start calibration. Now it's telling me to rotate this. And it's keep on telling me to do a little slightly bigger circle so it knows how the wall is. Okay, 2 different scan modes. We're going to imaging mode. Okay, we're going to start our scan. Let's move this across the wall. Okay, so there's one stud. And there is another stud. And you see it just moving across the wall. There's that stud again. Well, you don't have to have the phone next to it. You can actually have the phone over here and still find those studs. So you can attach it with the magnet, of course. And I'll show you a different way that I like to do it. This is another way you can do it. This is just a selfie stick. So I can have this down here and do my scan and still see those studs. All right, I'm going to change it. We're going to do the electrical on that wall. So I see I've got 2 different type of light switches here. This is actually a low voltage system that controls my outside lights, and that's a 110 volt switch. Now I don't need to calibrate it because it was the same wall as this one. So we move this around, and you see there is that electrical wire that it's seeing there. That is marked pipe or wire. And there's my corner stud. And you see there is that wire going up the wall. And you can see it, that wire goes up and probably disappears up here somewhere and goes to the light out there. Now this will work on wood, but in this case, it won't work. This is tongue groove cedar, and there's different densities on here. I tried it, it doesn't understand this. It thinks these are 2x4s. So it has to be a solid wood. Like if this was a piece of plywood, it would probably work. We're gonna try this one more time out in my garage. Now I actually have some sheetrock in my garage, so we're gonna try this out here. Now this will actually shut off if you disconnected from the app after a period of time. So we're gonna reconnect this again. Join, there's that private Wi-Fi network that I was talking about earlier. Connecting to the WALABOT. And we are connected. And of course we're gonna have to calibrate this again. So put our device WALABOT on the wall. Start calibration. Again, we move this around in circles, making our circles bigger as it goes on. You want to do it slowly, you don't want to do it fast. And we got 2 different modes. I'll show you that expert mode here. We're going to do the regular image mode. I'm going to start our scan. And then it finds our stud right away. There's a stud there, right next to electrical outlet, and there's our electrical wire. That's actually a low voltage wire. Now the advantage of this, if I want to pound a nail here, it's code now. This house was built in '73, but they had to put nailing plates where those electrical is. Otherwise, you'd hit that and you'd, I actually did that a long time. We actually hit a wire and ended up having to pull the wire and redoing it. We're going to flip over to that expert mode. Start drywall scan. And it's a little different. It almost looks like heat sensing, right? So it's measuring density of that. Of course, you're probably going to run it in the image mode, which it's a lot easier. As you can see, the image mode is way easier than the expert mode. All right, let's go back to my shop and we'll finish up the review. There's a couple demonstrations of what this WALABOT can do. It's built pretty well too. It feels really solid. Way better than my other stud finders. This right now is going to be my go-to for finding studs in my walls. And the thing about, you don't need a high-end phone. I mean, if you're like me, how many guys got, old phones laying around, right? I mean, these have been out of commission for years. They still work, and you could probably just throw one of your old phones in with the WALABOT and just use your phone for this exclusively. I'll put all the details and links in the description. And you get a 10% discount code at checkout as well. If you have any questions, put in the comments, and thanks for watching. Have a great day.